Yeah, this is quite incredible, right? Now, you have all the, like, first of all, if you haven't tried the EventHouse, you have to try the EventHouse, even if you don't have sensors or devices, because you can actually use the technology of the EventHouse to work on top of every piece of data you have in OneLake and get massive query acceleration on top of that. Number one. Number two, what you have here is you have the volume of data you can handle. We had a couple of months ago McLaren on stage here, and these guys were analyzing 10 trillion points of data from their hypercars. You know McLaren with the F1 stuff, you know? They've been 10 trillion points of data from the car at seconds, slicing and dicing with this technology. It's just remarkable. Now, all this data, all these sensors coming into the EventHouse, but we needed a way to really associate it with the real-time object, whether they're the cars or the trucks or the planes or the gateways, everything. And we really need, or the wind turbine in your company, right?
Yep.
So we need a way to really associate and model, kind of create a semantic model of the real-world objects inside the fabric to create a relationship between streams of data and the data that we have in fabric and the real-world objects. So this is where we are introducing, and we're going to show you a sneak peek of the digital twin builder.
Yes, exactly. We're very excited to show you all a sneak peek of the new digital twin builder, because all that information is really helpful, but it's really lacking that context to the information about the actual physical items and how the system works together. And so with the new digital twin builder, we can do just that, and let's see it in action. So here you can see that we have the physical operations of my wind turbine and wind farm modeled as an ontology. And here I can actually see all of the different entities and the relationships as they work together. So I can see, for example, the wind turbine has a gearbox, it has a rotor, it has the turbine blades, and all of these pieces have different properties and the relationships that connects them. And so as the data is actually emitted from my physical devices, it's come in and mapped into this
You can associate the streams with each one of the components
with each
of the
one
wind
of them,
turbine.
and multiple, you can bring it all together into one view. So I can see the wind turbines connected to the broader wind power plant and how all of these pieces are connected together. And all of this data ultimately lands, of course, in OneLake, and so it allows me to take all of this personalized, contextualized information and bring it into things like a real-time operations dashboard. So back at the wind operations, we have our technician here seeing the data coming in real time. They can see anomalies as they come through, and with the help of the digital twin builder now, they can actually go down and see the individual fault codes and understand exactly what's happening.
So the real documentation of the wind turbine is in the product.
Is directly here, and then also with the power of Activator, we can immediately set alerts.